welcome you guys back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your favorite baby girl, Esther. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for sharing my video. Thank you for always stopping by. May God in heaven bless and reward you all in Jesus' name. Thank you. For my new subscriber, I say very big thank to you. For my old subscriber, thank you all so much for always stopping by me. My God in heaven reward you guys. Thank you guys. Only kisses I will give to you all. This year is your year. Anything you have been praying for years, this year, God will do it for you. If it is it a job you are looking for, God will do it for you. Is it the fruit of the womb? God will give it to you. Anything at all you are believing God for, my God in heaven will bless and reward you in Jesus' name. I really love and appreciate you all. Thank you guys so very much. I love you. Thank you guys so very much. So guys, in today's video, in today's Ogboge matter, let me go to Nigeria pidgin English, my people. Now, no say this my channel. That we dey use pidgin English, we dey use correct English. Even we dey use Edo Papa. My tribe, I am from Edo State, so we dey use all this tribe. You understand? So for this video, good news, good news, good news. I know say whenever I get good news, I must come and come talk am. I must come out come talk am because this our channel, only good news is permitted in our life. Everybody praying for good news. You are looking for the fruit of the womb. You are waiting for God to give you a good marriage so that He will take care of you and make you the best woman. God will give you this year. This year is your year. So this channel is to encourage and uplift each other. We are not here to bring anyone down, and that is why we are here. So I love you all so much. So my Ogboge Naija people, my Ogboge Africa people, I love and appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So today's video is our Nigerian Nollywood actress, super talent, as I talk, talented actress, Nigeria most beautiful, as I talk, figure eight. Now know wetin be figure eight? Woman with a shape. The shape, my sister, my brother, even you where you be woman, you go the tree because it's not easy to build that shape to be like that. You understand? She take care of herself, she do gym, she do a whole lot. She's looking beautiful. She one person where I'll take compare her or where I'll say it look like her, that be Mercy Johnson Okoye. So if I don't know whether or not fit guess who are they talking about, my people. This person is not any other person than Destiny Etiko, my favorite Nigeria Nollywood actress. You understand? So my people, as I just dey care for social media, just dey do care. Now I come see picture. She put her boyfriend picture, her fiancé. You know, I think marriage bell is ringing. Marriage bell is ringing. You understand? Marriage bell is ringing, and so shall it be in Jesus' name. You know, say when woman don't try for herself, I've worked so hard. You know, he decided to bring my public. You know, and I know say many Nigerian Nollywood actresses, actors, men, women, actresses, actors, they many. Before they present somebody to una, say, this is my own. This is my guy. You always take them a long time to show it. Okay. But Destiny Etiko was, as I'll talk as in, so 100% sure that this is my man. He snap picture with this guy, holding each other, telling the world I am fine, the right person. So shall it be for you, my sister. It's very good to get married early age so that you get your children early age. You understand? Runs not they pay. I'm not saying you dey do wrong. I know say you know they do wrong, but runs not they pay, my sister. Settle with this young guy. I am happy to happy for you. Congratulations. Wedding ring is ringing, is ringing. Destiny. Etiko marriage bell is ringing, is ringing, is ringing. She deserve it. She have worked so much for Lordlywood. She have do so many movies. She have impacts lives in different ways. So because she deserve it, so it's her turn to shine. So I'm happy for you. Congratulations in advance. So I'll be placing the video here, the pictures here, guys. May not be like saying I may just the talk, okay? So congratulations to her. So there is another Nigeria Yoruba lady. What would I call her? Social media influencer. She's telling other people that is small size. You can still be small or average and still love yourself and say I love myself the way God created me. Nobody will change it. So this lady got married to a normal guy. The guy was so happy marrying this small size lady. As in Nigeria, you know, no dwarf now. So he married to this dwarf. He was so happy. He posted the picture all over social media. So I will be placing the picture so that you guys will see. Congratulations to their union. I happy for this lady. It's a Yoruba lady. She always talk with Yoruba, so I will put her video. So I always love to watch her video. So let's encourage each other. So these two people, congratulations to Destiny Etiko. Congratulations to this. How will I say it? Small or or small size lady. Congratulations to her. So I'm so happy. So guys, thank you all so much. I will be placing the video. If you like this video, please comment, like, share, and just say something good to them. Congratulate them and subscribe to our YouTube channel on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch it. I love and appreciate you all. You guys are the best. All my subscribers, you guys are the best. If not you guys, I will not be doing video again because you guys give me the encouragement by you supporting me, sharing my video, subscribing to my YouTube channel, on my notification bell. That always make me want to always do video. Okay? And me, my husband, my children will say we love you guys. Thank you. We appreciate you. Stay blessed and God bless you.